Woo! Hey everyone, this is Gerald from Daily Crypto Trading. Let's come to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be live, and we're going to be talking about don't miss it, guys. Absolutely don't miss it. And we're seeing a huge golden cross is about to happen for Bitcoin, and that could take things higher and higher and higher. Also, too, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Huge Dogecoin news about the connection between Tesla and Dogecoin, and every time Tesla does this, we often see Dogecoin have a huge pump, guys. We're going to be talking about that much more out there, guys. So if you like this channel like I like you guys, don't forget to smash the likes like crazy. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. And it's a great time to be alive out there, guys. And remember, none of this is financial advice. Much love to the freaking community, guys. Much love out there. I would appreciate love to you and you out there, guys. It is a great time to be alive. So let's get it, guys. Let's jump into it. I would appreciate it. And remember, go back and watch all my other videos, guys. Don't miss a beat. Don't miss a trick, guys. It's great, guys. We're seeing that most of cryptocurrency is up right now overall. In the long term, we're seeing that, Bitcoin is up over like 165% year to date. So that's freaking fantastic. That's freaking awesome. Even though Bitcoin down a little bit, we are seeing that the altcoins are actually starting to pump a little bit. Dogecoin is down right now, but nothing too much to be worried about. News-wise, we're seeing that right now the U.S. pre-markets are looking pretty good, so that is good out there. The U.S. markets are up, looking pretty good. The pre-markets, neutral out there. I don't really care about the pre-markets. Looks like Google shares popped 5% after the company announced the Gemini AI model. But Billy Marcus was quick to jump onto the Twitter, the X, don't make me up. Pretty quick to jump onto X and start talking about the risks of AI out there. So let's see. It looks like, and this AI is supposed to be better than ChatGPT. Who knows? Let's see where we're going. And some people are predicting that, only be like a 3.5 day work week with AI taking over. That means people may be working less, but maybe less money out there. U.S. spot ETF issuer in talks with SEC has advanced to key details. So, guys, don't miss out. We are definitely going to be seeing, ETF coming out soon, and we're seeing that more high-level talks, more serious talks are happening from BlackRock, from Grayscale, from ARK Investments, all of the major companies that have asked to have BTF, Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin BTF approved. The level of seriousness with the talks is getting closer. We're about 33 days to the next approval window. So let's see what happens, guys. If that does happen, we're going to see that most of cryptocurrencies are going to pump like crazy. We are seeing that the market cap is up 0.64%, 1.61 trillion. We're seeing the dominance of Bitcoin and Ethereum pretty much unchanged. But overall, we're seeing still, we're up almost 15% for the week. Not too shabby. Ethereum up almost just over 14%. We're seeing BNB is up. XRP is up. Solana is up 16.52%. Do not sleep on Solana. Solana is about to hit $70. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the Solana ecosystem and a new project called Jito that looks pretty interesting. Basically, Jito is a staking platform. Basically, you connect your Solana hardware wallet to the staking platform, and you get APY. So we're going to talk about that. And looks like, some people are speculating that Solana could be the number 3 crypto after Ethereum, guys. So let's see what's going on. And Solana's at almost $70 right now. So not too shabby. And if you guys did listen to me when I did tell you to ape into Solana, you'd be up like crazy. Remember, not financial advice. You got to do your own research. Don't believe everything I say. Do your own research, because there's a lot of degens out there who are going to steer you the wrong way. Cardano's up over 20% on the weekly, and Dogecoin is up right now. It's at 0.96. We're going to talk about Dogecoin and Tesla, and when Tesla does this, we'll often see that Dogecoin does a huge pump, guys. So interesting. Fear and greed is still at 72. Not too shabby out there. We're seeing right now that the Bitcoin hollow waves are looking pretty good. Around about 91% of all Bitcoin holders are in profit right now. And we're still seeing that, a lot of Bitcoin holders have been holding since the beginning of the last bull run. And that is, already 2 to 3 years. So looking pretty good out there. So nice, guys. Things are looking pretty good. Guys, did you guys know that the early bull market Bitcoin price preps first ever weekly golden cross? So we're about to have a golden cross right here. And that's when the 50, and this is on the weekly, And this one, the 50 weekly moving average, will now soon cross back above the 200-week moving average, golden cross for the first time in history. This is a weekly golden cross, okay? So we could expect a nice recovery, a good pump with that. So that is pretty good, guys. Don't forget, we've got about 131 days for the next halving, guys. So boom, chakalaka. Looks like another reason that Solana is pumping is because Robinhood launches Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading app in the European Union, and it includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So that is another reason we're seeing Solana pumping right now. So booyah, baby. We're still seeing that Bitcoin is kicking Zuckerberg in the nuts right now, and we see that the total market cap of Bitcoin is above Meta, guys. So that's pretty good. Next target for Bitcoin is going to be NVIDIA, then followed by silver, guys. We're going to get there. Big announcements today. We only have the U.S. unemployment report, but the big one is on Tuesday the 12th, and that is core CPI, guys. So that's a pretty typical Fed indicator, and this will tell us if the economy is getting healthy or getting unhealthy, guys. But I think the economy is coming back, guys. So overall, we're seeing right now that the Bitcoin returns is looking very good. Bitcoin monthly returns never look better, and we're seeing so far that Bitcoin is up almost 14.93% in December. So booyah, looking pretty good. Bitcoin is looking okay. We're having this little bit of a bull flag that is forming now. We could see a breakout to about 45,000. I think, we should have some chop, a little bit consolidation. Some Debbie Downers are saying that we could go all the way down back to 35,000. Let's see. I'm more bullish. I think we're going to see some consolidation, some downward chop. We might even go as low as 41,000, hit my support line and bounce up. But we've got some big resistance at 45. I think we're going to do that. Definitely do that. Ethereum is looking much, much better right now. We have some good support here at this level. Around about $2,000 is a good support level. And we're seeing that we have gone back above my previous support level that was acting as a channel resistance line. And we're back above that, and we've got some overhead resistance at $2,400. So I think we're going to snap past that pretty fast. I'm not too concerned. Guys, did you guys know that Bitcoin USD is nonetheless up 165% year to date? We are getting ready for a Bitcoin ETF approval. This could send Bitcoin into a super cycle. And don't forget, we got the Qatar sovereign fund that they might be buying $500 billion worth of Bitcoin, guys. So if we get the spot ETF happening, get all that good stuff happening, it is going to definitely confirm a breakout, guys. So Bitcoin price, some people speculate that Bitcoin could hit $50,000 in early 2024. But some people even speculate that we could get $50,000 by year end. I mean, if you look at where Bitcoin price is right now at $43,000 to go 50, it's not too bad. And, we could expect, on a monthly basis, to see Bitcoin go up about 5K every month until halving, guys. So get ready for that. I think it's not impossible for Bitcoin to see $50,000 early in 2024. So I'm pretty stoked about it. I'm pretty stoked. Bitcoin is maybe targeting 50 to 53,000 based on network activity, and we're seeing a lot more network activity out there. So that is good news out there. We're seeing that these cycles are going to be coming in pretty soon. Big time remains 100% on track out there. So looking pretty positive, looking pretty positive overall for Bitcoin. Bitcoin imminent breakout. I believe it. We should be seeing $50,000. And remember, one of the reasons that we're seeing the Dogecoin down right now is because of Bitcoin is down. So nothing to worry about. Bitcoin miners have sold over 3,000 BTC in the last 24 hours, worth around $132 million. Yes, I'm not worried about it. It's a little bit of a sell-off to basically they need fiat to pay electric and other stuff like that. So not a big deal. Taking a little bit of profits, I would not worry about it. But you can see that the miner reserves are huge, guys. If we see a huge continuous sell-off, then we got problems. That's another reason why Bitcoin is down a little bit as well. So looks like right now SpaceX, buy now. Justin, SpaceX has initiated a discussion about selling insider shares at a valuation of $175 billion or more. The shares are expected to be sold at $95 each. That's pretty good. And the $175 million valuation is a premium to the $150 billion valuation obtained this summer. if SpaceX went public, it would be one of the largest IPOs. I mean, from my perspective, if SpaceX does have an IPO, I'm going to be buying like crazy, guys. Don't forget, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there. We still got some huge Dogecoin news. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Show some love for the OG, and don't forget to subscribe out there. So a lot of people are like talking about Solana, and if you take a look at Solana right now, in terms of this is a DeFi Llama Ding Dong, in case you're wondering where it is, you can see the total value locked on chain right now for Solana is pretty huge, pretty huge, about $774 million. And now Solana just flipped Avalanche out there, has moved to number 7 spot. Solana is about to break over $70, and there's some interesting new projects that's coming out. If you take a look at the Solana ecosystem, some huge projects out there. This new project, which is Jito, which is liquid staking, right now has about $143 million locked in TVL. Pretty cool. So one of my members was asking, what is Jitro? Well, basically Jitro is a liquid staking platform, and how do you stake? Well, very simple. You go to their website, connect your wallet, and stake. And one of the interesting things is that they have a very good APY, 6.96%. Remember, do your own risk management, and remember, if you don't know how to connect a hardware wallet or a software wallet like Trust or MetaMask, do some research. But it's pretty simple. You basically connect your hardware or software wallet holding Solana, check the Solana chain, choose a Solana chain, and stake. That's it. It looks like they're going to have some. Looks like they're going to have an airdrop as well. This coin, this token hasn't been listed yet. It's about to be listed, but you could probably get in early. Basically, you want to know if you're eligible, just go to the website, and it's called jito.network. Just go there, check it out, guys. But definitely don't sleep on Solana. Solana could be the number 3rd crypto out there after Ethereum. So what's going on with Dogecoin right now? So Dogecoin right now is at 0.959. We did go as high as 10 cents. We did go as high as actually 10.065. We did break down from there, but it looks like we're pretty bullish, and things are going to go up. If we take a deeper dive on the daily, we're seeing a little bit of consolidation here. I'm not too concerned about it. We're seeing right now that Dogecoin, in terms of market cap, it's up about 5.64%, $13.4 billion, and the volumes are a little bit light right now. Who's in the money? Who's out of the money right now? Don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. You want it. You need it. I need you to need it. Seeing 63% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money, and that is pretty good. And the signals are pretty much neutral. And we're seeing that 71% of most Dogecoin holders have been holding for a year plus, 22% from 1 month to 12 months, and only less than 1 month, 8%, guys. So we're still seeing that a lot of the community is long-term holders for Dogecoin, so that is pretty good. Dogecoin could have hit $1. It might. Don't forget, we got Elon Musk plans. We got DogeX, all that stuff, and also it looks like we got this billion for X AI. So it looks like Elon Musk is trying to raise $1 billion for his X AI. So that's pretty cool beans out there. Now Here, don't miss it, guys. This is from JD757, a buddy of mine, and he's got some really good stuff. Go check out his Twitter. I appreciate it. So basically, what he's saying is that every time that Doge and Tesla, would it be wise to move Tesla back to Dogecoin? And he's saying no. I'm crazy bullish on Tesla. Me too. I have Tesla stock. I love it, but the chart don't lie. Every time that Tesla breaks out with MACD cross, the Dogecoin goes parabolic against Tesla. So it looks like it's coming in. We can see here, every time that we have Doge Tesla breakout on the MACD, you can see a huge pump, guys. Then in consolidation, another breakout and MACD cross, huge pump for Doge Tesla on the monthly. And then we're waiting the next MACD is going to happen. It could happen when we get the golden cross for Bitcoin on the weekly. And we could be seeing a huge pump per Dogecoin to the moon. Well, closer to the moon. And don't forget, we got the Doge X1 mission to the moon coming soon. And that will literally put a Dogecoin on the moon. So this is pretty bullish, guys. I did talk about yesterday that there is rumors out there that we should be able to see us buying Tesla and a Cybertruck with Dogecoin. So hopefully that's going to happen sooner than later. It's a great time to be alive, guys. So, guys, get ready for Dogecoin blast off. Like I said, with this MACD crossing for the Tesla Doge thing, we could be seeing a huge pump. They have no idea that the most entertaining outcome is the most likely. Elon Musk said that, and he's talking about Doge. Soon, Dogecoin to the freaking moon. Let's get it, guys, and get ready to be rich as beep with Dogecoin, $1 soon. I think it's going to happen. I think the next top, it's going to happen. Get ready for the biggest announcement from Elon Musk about Doge, and keep watching here for the update. So I think there's going to be a huge update, a huge announcement from Elon Musk regarding X platform and crypto integration. I think it's going to happen sooner than later, and I think it could culminate with the Doge X1 mission launch. And I think once we get the Doge X1 mission launch, I think we're going to get the announcement about the integration, and then we could get not only the announcement about the integration, but we could also get the Cybertruck purchase with Dogecoin, guys. So that's basically all I got, guys. Be blessed, be well, peace out.